Now we'll start our last page, page number 37. Bright and his college roommate James R. Wong worked all that night, drawing pictures and constructing plastic models of molecules to show how it could happen. Together, they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. Surprising no one who knew him, Richard Albright graduated from Harvard with highest honors. Second in his class of 1510, Albright went on to become a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. There he began doing experiments to test his theory. If the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding the process of life. It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer and other diseases. All of this is possible because of a bright scientific curiosity. His high school research into the purpose of the spots on monarch pupa eventually led him to his theory about cell life. Richard Albright has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterflies, but not so deeply that he has not time for other interests. Albright also became a champion debater and public speaker and a good connoisseur and all around outdoor person. He is also an expert photographer, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. In high school, Richard Albright was a straight A student because learning was easy. He turned a lot of his energy towards the debating and Model United Nations Club. He also found someone to admire, Richard A. Wehrer, his social studies teacher and advisor to both clubs. Mr. Wehrer was the perfect person for me then. He opened my mind to new ideas, Albright said. Richard would always give that extra effort, Mr. Wehrer said. What pleased me was here was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night doing debate research besides doing all his research with butterflies and his other interests. Richard was competitive. Mr. Wehrer continued, but not in a bad sense. He explained Richard wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job he could. For the right reasons, he wants to be the best. And that is one of the ingredients in the making of a scientist. Start with a first rate mind, add curiosity, and mix in the will to win for the right reasons. Albright has these qualities from the time the book The Travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him. Richard Albright was never lost his scientific curiosity. Thank you.